Let's create one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video you'll learn to use Revolve, Extrude, Offset Plane and Loft. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. And here will be the midpoint, and the first thing that we'll make, we will create a center line here with 96 millimeters of length, and we will create this line here with 5.5 and this line with 9 millimeters. So go to create a sketch and select the front plane, select line, make a line here with 96 millimeters of length, and create a line here with 5.5 millimeters, and create a line here with 9 millimeters of length. Make sure that this line here is a horizontal line and this one is a vertical line. And now we will create a line here with 5 millimeters of length. So select line, make a line here with 5 millimeters, press OK. Now we will create this arc. This arc, it is not tangent with this line. The radius here is 12 millimeters of radius, and the distance between the center of this arc and the center line here is 1.5 millimeters. So go to create, select arc, 3-point arc, click here in this line, make an arc here, and go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and the center line is 1.5 millimeters, and the radius here is 12 millimeters. And go to arc again, 3-point arc, and make this arc here with 108 millimeters of radius, and create this arc with 3 millimeters of radius. Go to constraint, select tangent, make sure that this arc tangent each other, and go to sketch dimension. The radius here 180 millimeters of radius, and the radius here 3 millimeters. And here the distance between the tangent point in this arc and the center point here is 7.5 millimeters. So go to sketch dimension, click with the right button here and select pick circle arc tangent. Select this arc and select this line here. And the distance here is 7.5 millimeters. We made this profile. So finish the sketch and go to Revolve. The axis, select this line here, operation new body, and press OK. And now we will create this part here. And here the sketch is a square with 2.5 millimeters. And we will extrude this 38 minus 8 millimeters from this face to this edge here, okay? So select this face and go to create a sketch. Select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 2.5 millimeters by 2.5 millimeters and press OK. Finish the sketch and go to extrude, select this profile. The distance here 38 minus 8, operation join and press OK. We made this one. Now to create this, we use the slot. So the first thing that we'll make here, we will create a plane here. The offset plane, the distance between this face and this plane is 8 millimeters. And in this plane, we will create a point. So go to offset plane, select this face, the distance here 8 millimeters and press OK. And now go to create a sketch and select this new plane. And here in the center, go to create and select the point and make a point here and finish the sketch. And now Go to create and select Loft. And the Loft here, select this face and select this point. Operation join and press OK. We made this. And here in this sketch, maybe it is missing a dimension here, but here we'll make a revolve here. Okay, so to create this revolve, we will create this line here, and we'll create a rectangle here, and we'll make this cut using the revolve. Okay, so go to create a sketch and select the front plane, and here go to create, select the project, include project, and select this point here and this point here. Press OK. Select a line, make a line here, and make a rectangle here. Go to constraints and select the coincidence, select this line and this point here. And go to sketch dimension, 15 millimeters here. And the distance here, we can use 5 millimeters. And select a line, make a line here in the center. It is for reference. And finish the sketch. Now go to Revolve, select this profile, and the axis, select this line here. The operation here, cut, and press OK. We made this, so here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.